back again. Thank you so much for being still with me in this course. That's so lovely, and I mean so happy like you are still watching me. And I'm going to show you how you can convert. I'm not gonna be hatasha korbo na apnake. So I'm going to click on a new tab and going to browse like PDF to Word. So sorry, not Word, PDF to PPTX. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the convert PDF to PowerPoint. So that's a very beautiful site for any beginner. You can compress, you can upload your PDF and convert it to anything like Word, PPTX. So I'm going to select my PPDF format option. So that is right here. Just upload it and wait for a few minutes and convert to PPTX. It's gonna take you a while, and after that you are going to have your PowerPoint slides. That's it. That's the beauty of this site. This is very fast and this is really amazing. I love PDFs, means I really love PDF. And thank you, I love PDF, for creating such a beautiful site for us, for helping us in so many ways. So currently you are going to watch our Canva slides into the PowerPoint. I know you are already expert in PowerPoint, so you can edit by yourself into anything and you can make it anything more beautiful. Like আপনার expertise থেকে আপনি আরো সুন্দর করে এটাকে তৈরি করতে পারেন, and that's it. So you can also edit it from. Thank you so much. I believe this is gonna be helpful, very helpful, and thank you so much for enrolling in this course. I'm really glad that you were really here. I'm really glad, and I mean it. Thank you so much. See you in the another course, like I don't know when, but hopefully see you in the next course. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you in the next video. Love.